Hey, my friend Garrett Berry here from growwithgarrett.com. Chances are you're watching this video because you're looking for how to make money on the side from home. Maybe you're working a job right now, or you're just, living at home and you want to make some side income. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you a good way that you can make, not just a few dollars. I'm talking about $100 or even more a day just following what I'm about to share. Now, I was getting flooded with questions from my subscribers asking me, Garrett, things like, Garrett, I'm working a job right now and I don't have a lot of time, I don't have a lot of experience. How can I start bringing in side income, money on the side without doing a lot of tedious work and without needing a lot of, insane experience? Well, I wanted to shoot this video as an answer because I had this similar question about 3-4 years ago. I was working as a waiter. I was making very small amounts of money. I was slaving for hours a day, and I really wanted to bring in some extra income just from the comfort of my home, without leaving, without dealing with a ton of people or wasting a ton of time. So I started searching online and watching different YouTube videos, and I remember I came across the video and I was listening to this person's voice, and for whatever reason, I just listened to this person and followed exactly what they said. And what they recommended was something called affiliate marketing. Now, if you haven't heard of affiliate marketing, the reason I recommend it for someone with no experience or someone just wanting income online from the side is you can really do it as much as you want. There's no hours you have to do it. You kind of do it on your own term. And really anyone who has a social media account or, about 30 minutes a day can really start to plug in and make some great money. Now, the way it works in a nutshell is, and I have a lot of videos on my channel, is basically you find a company that has products that people are buying, okay? So for example, Amazon.com, which I'm sure you've heard about, has an affiliate program that you can become an affiliate of Amazon, and you can find a product on there that you actually like, that you recommend to people, and then you can go ahead and get your affiliate link, which is a link that basically is coded to you, and you can start to recommend people that product, and every time they buy that product through your link, you make a percentage of that money, and you can really start making some quick side income, from home. Now, the issue with Amazon, for example, though, is that you're not going to make a lot of money per referral. When I first got started, I started doing that, and I realized that, they pay you pennies per sale. So in order to, get a ton of money coming in, you need a ton of referrals. So what I personally recommend you doing, if you do decide to go with affiliate marketing, if you see this video and this makes sense to you and you're really looking forward to doing this, what I recommend is finding a company that has products that pay you very good commissions, okay? Pay you a very good amount per referral. And what I'm gonna do is, there's a few out there, but I have a number one recommendation. I'll include it in the link below, or you can just head to growwithgarrett.com, put your email in, and you'll get automatically sent free information on the number one recommendation that I personally have been using and my students have been using to make some great income. Now, just a few other tips. You can sell things on Craigslist. If you need some money fast, you can find items in your house. Go to Craigslist.org and actually sell things on there. You can also, find items on eBay, okay? You can buy items for less on eBay, and then you can go to the Facebook marketplace and you can actually list it for a little bit higher price, and you're gonna make some money off that difference. But again, in my own experience, it kind of takes a skill set to learn what to look for, and it's not the quickest thing to really make money. So again, I recommend you going with affiliate marketing. I recommend you going with a program that has high commissions, at least 50%, and the one below is actually 100% commission. So you do the work, you refer someone, let's say on social media, on Facebook, you post a link, someone buys through your link, you actually get 100% of that money. So very, very powerful. But I hope you enjoy learning how to make money on the side from home. Again, this really helped me. I wanted to share this. I was getting tons of questions from my subscribers. If this helped you, be sure to leave me a like. Also comment below, what you want me to help you with next. I'm doing these videos virtually daily. And last but not least, if you want my number one recommendation to just make money quickly on the side from home, go to the link below and check that out. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next page.